Okay guys, today I'm pulling the muffler off of the 4-door and I'm going to put it on the 2-door. So while doing that, I'm going to show you how to pull off the stock. I guess you would call it, I mean, in a real drive it's an axle back, but it just hoops over the lower control arm. It's just the very back section. So I think I'm going to get a sound clip of the stock muffler, get a sound clip straight piped, and go ahead and get a sound clip of this cheapy Amazon muffler. This car got a hood exit exhaust. I'm going to go ahead and donate it to the 2-door. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and get a quick sound clip of the stock exhaust. All this car has is a short ram intake, so it does sound a little bit different than a bone stock car. But as far as the exhaust system, it's 100% stock. Alright, I'm going to start by jacking up the car. So it looks like it's only 2 bolts, and from the looks of it, there's 2 nuts welded to the flange coming closest to the front of the car, and the bolts going from the back to the front. So do not try and break these nuts loose. They're not actually nuts, they're part of that flange. You'll just round it off and, I don't know, maybe mess up a socket or something. I think I'm gonna spray some lubricant on there because they look like they're gonna be pretty seized up. All right, a little bit of lube. And also, I started lubing up the muffler hangers just to make it easier to slide off. They can be kind of a pain in the butt. Usually I just get like a big flathead screwdriver, or sometimes you can just pop them off by hand if they're loose enough. There's one down. There's the second one down. So from the way the hanger looks here, it looks like it'd be easy to slide the entire muffler assembly forward and through the hanger because there's no groove like the top one on the bottom one, so it should push through pretty easily. I hope. There we go. There's one down. Let's see. Got one more. Oh, there we go. So now I'm ready to just pull it out over the lower control arm. That's it, muffler's out. So just for research purposes, I'm gonna fire it up with no muffler and see what it sounds like straight piped, and then go ahead and install the Amazon muffler from that car over there and see what it sounds like with the Amazon muffler on there. Here's the no muffler test. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and pull the muffler off of this car, but you don't need to see that because I already showed you how to do this one. I'll be back in a second. So the issue I'm having here is I was trying to reuse the factory hardware with the springs and everything, and this hole's too small for this to go through. This, on the factory exhaust, this went through the hole and rested on the flange of the back, and then the spring put tension on the flange to give it, you know, flexibility and not be solid. I think I'm going to have to run to the hardware store and pick up some bolts about this length but missing this little piece right here, So I'll be able to go all the way through, and maybe I can put a washer on it and then put the spring to still give it the flange some flexibility. So there we are. Ended up getting 2 longer bolts with some washers, so I was able to reuse those springs. So now I'm going to go ahead and drop the car. Alright, here we go. Well, that's it for our little Amazon muffler experiment. You got to hear a stock muffler, straight pipe, and this Amazon muffler. I'll be sure to put a link in the description. But if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out. Thanks for watching.